my first ever vlog. So for today's vlog, I'm doing a food challenge right there. So by the way, I am Raisel Catherine Ramos, a grade 12 student, and I'm doing this for a great purpose. So come on, let's come and join me. So I am with my two friends. Hi, Marian and Faye. So they are my childhood friends. So let's go. Come with me. So this is the quail egg. So we will buy for this. How much is this, ate? 20 pesos by cup. One. Where is
Char,
this?
lapil na tayo, Char.
Ma'am.
Ahang bili, halang bili.
Halang kana. So we have one, so let's go there to buy another one. Come on, feminists, everybody. So up next we would buy to the Japanese hug cake. So for 30, chocolate cake. Yes.
Duha lang mga 5 na.
Spending my 30 pesos in Japanese hug cakes. So up next we will buy some proven. Yeah. Bali ano ang 30 pesos. Ate, can I have some sauce? Hey! Sa i-vlog naman siya sa balay. Ah. Thank you, te. You want this? So this is the buko.
Saan mo na mumunga mo panamaw man.
Hi, so struggle is real. I thought vlogging is so easy, but I was wrong. You okay? Are you okay? Are you? Yeah, what are you? So we're going home now. So we continue our vlogging at my house. So there's the food. Sauce with boko juice. Then the proven siomai isaw at my back. So I'm going home na. It's very tired. Oh my god. My house na. So I'm paying 30 pesos to uncle. Thank you, Tay. Mada, good afternoon. Hi, Pang. No, it's a great purposes, you know. Hi, Mama. Welcome to my vlog. Say hi. 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 Hi, Lala. Pang. So, this is her house. Hi. So this is the party of my vlog. So all the foods we bought on the street food all was settled. So first one is the Japanese hug cake. So it costs it costs 30 pesos. Proven 30 pesos. Fried siomai or dumplings.
Dumplings.
Dumplings, 20 pesos. The chicken skin is 20 pesos. The isaw, 20 pesos. Then, takoyaki, 215 plus 15, 30. And the last one is the quail eggs or the tukneneng. So this vlog is, have a twist. You know what's the twist? So both of them prepared a question for me. Then, while eating this food in front of us, while throwing a question for me, we slowly eat this food in front of us. So, let's start. Let's start the game. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. TikToker be like. So go. You can ask now.
I have
Who's
a question
the first?
for you.
What? Sige, continue.
When we were back then,
Back then, likod. Sige, ikat lang.
when we were young back then, what was the most memorable you had with us?
We had with us. Remember when I was in grade, I think it was in grade 6, grade 5, and grade 4. Yung saka-saka
Kadang-kadang.
we go to the rice field, and both of us find a coca there. Then suddenly Faye came, so all of us,
Go to the
rice field for the
Coca.
find coca. Next, go.
So my question is, what makes you angry?
When someone used my things without my permission, I really hate that so much.
Why?
Because it's not yours, it's mine. You know that? Next.
Why?
Okay, round 2. I'm going to ask them. Hi! So, yes. The next game is Who Knows Me Better. So, I prepared a piece of papers. No. This game is maka-friendship over. You know that? So, Faye, Marian, marker.
What would I write here?
First question. Who is my first love?
First love?
Who is my very first,
My God.
very first
No.
love?
We just talked about it earlier.
Shut up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wala pa. What? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Gidaw.
May I? Sige.
You see that? It's J. Ribas. 1 point for Faye. How about you?
I thought it was James.
James! Who's James?
You have crush on him. Grade 4.
Love! They love!
Oh my God.
It
Faye.
was love.
Oh my God!
Faye,
It was love.
Remove! My God!
My God, first question!
First question.
Sorry.
You lost. Next! What is my special talent? Special. It means rare. Rare.
My God, my
Means
marker is
rare.
missing.
You ano pa yun? Ano?
My God, the marker is missing. What's the...
My, from the word special talent, it's rare. Rare talent that you can't do, but I can do. Mm. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
I was right.
4,
I have no answer, my God.
3, 2, 1.
God, you have no rare talent.
Acting? No. It's not my rare talent or special talent.
Dancing?
What was rare? Maria Feynan. FO guys, FO. Oh my god. You can do that, right? Acting, you can do that. And I can do also, but not my special talent, you know. That's my special talent. Next! When is my complete, from the word complete, birth date year. When is my birthday? If you can't answer this, you're not invited in my debut.
It was...
Sige, sabay na naman. 1, 2, 1, 2, sabay. 1, 2, 3, go.
September 24!
Oh
my God!
Faye, you are my truly best friend. Oh my god, the password of my cell is
Oh my God.
09250.
I know! It was
I already,
September
wrote it.
25, but
September
I
25.
say 24. I'm sorry.
My God.
Don't be sorry. You think, bye. You're very invited, but she 50-50.
Okay, bye.
Who you?
Next. Who is my first boyfriend? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sino? Who?
No one.
Who?
Jay?
Wala pagkauna. Why do you say so? Why you said J?
Wala lang.
So I don't have any boyfriend. So I think that's all. That's all for today vlog. That's my vlog for today. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is Rizel Catherine T. Ramos, a grade 12 student of Humanities and Social Sciences. Bye-bye! Sir, papasara ko.
Sir, papasaran niya mo amiga, sir.